Ayan, sa mga pamilya po natin dito, maraming salamat po sa oras para samahan kami. At yun po, sana po supportahan niyo po ang Friendly Fire. Malapit na po. Sinabi na ba na October na? Yes, October 23 po, sana supportahan po natin ang esports film para sa atin to. Let's go!
Yeah! Ayan, sa inyong lahat, panoorin po natin ang Friendly Fire, directed by Mikhail Red. Makapanood po natin dito si Loisa Andalio, si John Silverio, si Yves Flores, si Colin Garcia, si Alodia, at yours truly, Bob Bailey. October 23 na po yan in all cinemas nationwide. Manood po tayo lahat. Let's go! Yeah! Guys, show support!
Iniimbitahan po namin kayo lahat na manood this coming October 23rd. If you want to have a glimpse of how it's like being a professional player and the struggles that they face every day, and of course the hard work and effort they put into their craft, into what they're doing. So yun, panoodin po natin lahat this October 23rd.
Yes, gusto ko naman pasalamat sa Black Cap Pictures.
Yes, let's go!
Love you guys. I love you and maraming salamat sa lahat ng cast at sana po abangan nyo Friendly Fire, October 22.
And please support the film, no? Sobrang challenging gumawa ng ganitong movie, genre movie na sports film pa na ang daming characters and very technical rin siya and thanks rin sa games na ginana Project Landata. And shout out rin sa younger brother ko na nandito. Co-writer and editor, and yung dad ko, Happy Father's Day nandito, si Raymond Red, meron silang booth every year dito mga G.I. Joes, mga vintage Joes, so check nyo. And Ram and Rain, and si Laika is here somewhere, hello. And syempre, please, support this film. It's a film about not just gaming, feeling ko makarelate kayo na it's about chasing your passion, your dream. And that's why I'm also thankful sa Black Cap Pictures for believing in a film like this. Na medyo iba. Yung genres, sports.
Salamat din sa pagpili.
Of course, siyempre big fan ako like every year na pumunta kami in Toy-Con, nag-promote na rin kami dito before. And thank you for the energy and the support. I hope pag pinost na namin yung trailer, share nyo and spread the word. Thank you.
Alright, so guys, mark your calendars because I'm sure you guys will really enjoy this movie. I've seen it firsthand, like all the effort and the passion the whole team dedicated to this movie has captured what the gaming industry is. So if you guys are curious about it, napaka-legit niya. Yun lang masasabi ko. In a way, I'm very happy and proud of this and I can't wait for all of you guys to see it in person.
Alright, and we are very excited.
Dagdag ko lang po, baka kasi akala nyo makakarating na kayo mga gamers dito. Pang lahat po siya, hindi lang siya about winning games, it's about winning in life. So yun lang.
Salamat. We're gonna have with the crowd. Kasi